You guys already know this video is going to be lit because it is I, E-Man. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. So today, I'm going to be fitting my second mod of my S3, which is the front lip. So the first mod was the wheel spacers, just brought it out a little bit to make it look a bit meaner. And yeah, today I'm going to be installing my brand new front splitter. So without further ado, let's get straight right into it. So I need a few things. Need to get my jack from the shed. Possibly access scan depending on how safe I'm feeling today. I'm going to show you guys the procedures, putting it on, and yeah. Comes in 3 pieces. So I've joined this bit on. Just need to join that bit on, and then we're going underneath. Look at that. I'm sweating. It's a sunny ass day today. Look. Alright, let's get it. My God. I don't think this is gonna fit, boys. This ain't gonna fit, man. And now that looks more legit. This thing's coming nice and wrapped up, man. Oh my God. Oh my God, I scratched it already. Oh my God. Oh my God. Really? Already scratched it. Look at that. Alright, it's alright. This is more like it, man. God damn. This is a full split. Oh my goodness, it looks good. Oh my God. This is looking sexy. Woo. Now that is a splitter. That is a flipping splitter. Sheesh. Oh my God. Such a good quality as well. That is so nice. Wow. That looks amazing. It's one piece as well. Look at it. It's not even hollow. One piece. And that is a nice, this is worth the wait, man. 100%, look at that. One piece. Solid as well. That's nice. Guys, let's go muck fit into the car. Onto the car. I'm gonna put this on, then I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Right, so guys, as you can see, I've put the 3M tape on this side, and on this side I've just put 2 because I don't want too much 3M tape on it. So that 2, literally, I'll put it on and it should hold it in place. So I see what the fitment, see what they look like on both sides. And I think the corners are, the sides are short. So I think this side here is too short for this side. So I need to put it on, adjust it, and then see. Well, yeah, let's get cracking. Oh, bastard. I'm not gonna lie to you, there's a flipping fly in my lens. I'm not gonna lie to you. The fitment is beautiful, but there's a few little bits that you can notice, but looking at it, it looks sick. Alright, let me show you. Alright, as you can see, there's the fitment, bruv. Fitment looks good. Let me get closer. I'm holding it with a wooden spoon and the scissors that I used and cut the 3M tape. But yeah, the 3M tape wouldn't stick. The 3M tape wouldn't stick at all. So this is why I had to improvise. But yeah, this is what it looks like from the side. I like that little fin there. But the only problem is, as you can see, it doesn't fully extend. It doesn't fully extend to the end, which is a bit annoying. But it fits way better than the other one. But that's just my little problem. It doesn't fit all the way to the end. Same on the other side. Yeah, it doesn't come all the way to the end. Can you guys see that? Yeah, it doesn't come all the way to the end, which is not, I mean, it's not really a big, it's not really a big thing, but it's not really a big thing, but it still looks good. Fits better than the other one. So I've put it in place where I want it, and I'm going to screw it up, and then at some point I need to take the bumper off and take the soft tappets off and put proper screws on it, and then tighten it so it's solid and nice. But yeah, right, I'm gonna bolt them up with the self tappets, and then yeah, I'm so gassed, I'm so happy. Right, I borrowed this from my neighbor, next door neighbor, shout out to him, but it's a bit weak, it's a bit dead. We'll see what we can do. Let's get it. Alright, so I got these little small screws to use, so let's get it on. Let's see if it goes on. Actually, I've got little washers as well, and I'm gonna put on. Might as well put the washers on as well. The camera's on 4%, so I need to hurry up and put this on. Alright, let's see if it goes on. Is it strong enough? Oh, what's going on? Jeez. The eagle has landed. The eagle has landed. She's in. Shall be able to claim my wooden spoon back in a minute. Just got to put one more just to make sure she's on right. One at the back. She's in, boy. Right. Can claim my spoon back. Yes, I can claim my spoon back. Yeah. Right. Gotta put one more in there, and then we'll move on. Oh no, don't do this. This one is dying very slowly. Come on, get in there. Oh my god. No. I think I'm gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way, by hand. But I'm gonna try and put the rest of them in and see. Well, yeah. Right, okay, so for you guys that want to put some split on your car, on your S3, and don't want to pay 150 something pound from Maxim Design, yeah, I'm going to put the link down below where you can pick up the splitter I've just put on, because as you can see, I wouldn't say it's like perfect like Max Design one, but I mean, look at it, it looks like the Maxim Design, and it looks so good on the car anyway. So yeah, only cost me 70 quid. So yeah, if you guys want to go pick yourself up one of them instead of spending 150 something pound on Maxim Design, and look down the description section, click on the link there, pick yourself up one, because I'm very happy with it. I'm happy with the purchase, and yeah, it looks so freaking cool. But yeah guys, thanks for watching the video. Subscribe, share the video for more car content, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace.